In this video, I'll show you how to delete pages and blank page in Word. Open up your document in MS Word. To delete a page containing data or text, you select all the text in the page. Now, let's delete this page. Select all the text on the page. Now, in your keyboard, you press the backspace or delete button. Now you see that the page has been deleted. Now, to delete a blank page, you select the blank page and click on the backspace. Now, you see we are having just a page here, and the blank page also has been deleted. So, that is how you can easily delete pages and blank page in MS Word. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Bye.